When RUSLE2 is installed, it comes with a default database, which pretty much is mostly empty. It does have some stuff in it, but for use in a specific area, you need your own database that has your soils, climate, all the things that you will need to run RUSLE2. We have created a new statewide database for Arkansas that has all the counties, all the climates, all the information you'll need to run RUSLE2 in any county in Arkansas. So we'll need to download that, and it's stored on the SharePoint folder, but before we do that, all the data is stored on your C drive in the Program Data folder. And so if you open up your File Explorer and go to C, all the information is stored in the Program Data folder. And if you'll notice, there's no Program Data folder that shows up. That's because the Program Data folder is hidden. And we'll need to be able to access that file to store the files. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go down to the Search button, and I'm going to type in Show Hidden Files. And when I do that, it has an option to go into the system settings and change that. So I click on that. It will bring up a system folder here it says for developers, but anyway, this little option here to show hidden and system files, I'm going to turn that on. Notice that when I did that, we now see the Program Data folder. That way we can actually open up that folder and put information in there. So I'm going to close this, and actually we can just, I'll just leave that open. But we go to Edge, and I'm going to go to the Ecological Sciences site. There we see the folders under Ecological Sciences. I'm going to open up the Agronomy site, and you'll see that there is a RUSLE2 site. We'll open it up. Now we have the old Northeast, Northwest, South databases for RUSLE2, but we also have a new Arkansas statewide folder here. So we'll click on it. And here is the AR statewide is the database, the statewide database for RUSLE2. I'm going to click on these three dots. When I do that, it opens up, gives me information about that, but I'm also going to click on the three dots again, and I'm going to click Download. When I do that, a download window will pop up. I'm going to click on Save As, and then I'm going to navigate to my C, and if we scroll down, we see that Program Data folder. If we hadn't unhid the files, we wouldn't be able to see this folder. So I'm going to double click on it, scroll down till you see USDA, then you should see a RUSLE2 folder and an NRCS folder. So I'll just double click those to open it up. Now this is the location where we want to save our database for RUSLE2. If you click on this, it'll tell you this is actually the folder. But here I'm just going to leave it named AR statewide, and I'll click Save. And that file downloaded. So now we've got the file downloaded. While we're here, we also may want to go ahead and put in this new worksheet for RUSLE2 for Arkansas. So I'm going to repeat the process to download this file. So I'm going to click on the three dots again, and click Download. This time we're going to save that in a little different location. So if we click Save As, notice it brings up that same file that we had a while ago, but in this case I'm going to put it under Printing. So we double click on Printing, and we'll just save that file with that name, and we click Save. Oh, I got it on there, so it tells me it's going to replace it. So now those two files that we need from SharePoint have been saved to my computer. So now we should be able to use the statewide database and this new worksheet template for printing.